Hello from Canabay Hotel. As we walk into our nice 2-bedroom suite, we have a fantastic kitchen here, well appointed with your stove, even a clothes washer. The refrigerator has some drinks in there. And we're staying at the Coral House Canabay Hotels, which is right at the Hard Rock. And a nice dining room set, living area, patio. We have a nice view of the side of the pool. That's the main lobby up there. Golf course. Great TV. Sitting area. Dining room. We have bedroom 1 in here with its own flat screen TV. And nice closet. Well appointed. Shelves. This one has its own bathroom as well. Great shower head in there. And bedroom number 1, number 2. And here we have your safe, ironing board. Patio. View. And the bedroom. Welcome to Canabay Hotels. Come join us. This is the 2nd bathroom. Each bedroom has its own bathroom. The hair dryer there. Come join me in Punta Cana.